What's going on, guys? Today we are on the way to Sacramento. It's about a 2-hour drive from me, and if you guys are wondering why, well, we're gonna go to a car meet. I don't know if you guys heard about Gapplebee's. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. They're throwing a pretty big fat car meet from what I heard, so we're on the way. We got the homie back there, you guys can kind of see. We're gonna have a C8, and we were supposed to have more cars, but they dipped out. So we do have a Mach 1 coming as well, the one that we raced in the last video, if you guys remember that. I'll keep you guys updated, and then stay tuned, because I know there's gonna be some burnouts and some revving, and I heard there's gonna be supercars, so stay tuned for it. We made it here. Like I said, we got the C8 C06, we got the M4, my car, we got a Mustang, and that's what we're leaving with right now. So we're back here again. We got the squad, we got some cars behind me, and we got some in front of me. So we're on the way to the meet, guys, and I'll try to cut right to the meet unless something interesting happens, then I won't. But here we got the M, we got the boy Pack right there, looking clean with the Q50. Then we got the Mach 1 and the C06. That C06 sounds insane. It sounds like a Ferrari. It's crazy. Are they gonna race? I think they're about to race. See what happens. I think they're about to race. I think the C8 took that at the end. I honestly can't tell, but I think the C8 took the dub. That seems pretty good so far. There they go. Nope. I think the C8 takes the win on that. I'm pretty sure. From what I could tell from back here, I think the C8 beat the full bolt-on Mach 1. It's on 91 right now. On the 85 it might be different, but looks like a good run. Oh shit, we made a Lambo. Oh shit. Oh shit. We got a Lambo pulling up with us too. You got the C8, the Mach 1. What a Tracy lineup we got going on right now. Holy cow. We got a goated lineup going on right now. You see the Lambo? Yeah. We're letting the homie drive the car, and I'm taking the Lambo. I'm not taking the Lambo, I'm riding with the Lambo guy. It's gonna be dope. I have no idea how to... We got the whole Beamer lineup right here. Oh yeah, they're taking them right there. We got a... Oh, there's another Lambo right there. is near, or did it just go down?
It went down.
What?
Yeah, it's got a lift system on it.
Oh, what?
In and out of parking lots and stuff.
We got the car spark. The Lambo. Right there. Get it back. We got the one we pulled up in. Beamer. We got a classic right here. We got a Audi. Got some nice wheels on it. Another Lambo. And we got a blackout one coming in right now. We had the Porsche of it. We got two Porsche. We're gonna leave the inside right now. We're gonna go to the outside. It's popping out here too. There's baddies everywhere. We had the whole Beamer lineup right here. Beamer, RS3. Now, what the fuck is that? This right here looks crazy. Cause what is this? What is this right here? Yeah, this shit looks crazy. Got the Corvette. Right here, don't want to get an answer. More cars right here. This goes wraps all around. We're over there. We parked over there. More cars right here. Nah, this is that Saudi lineup right here. We got a Hellcat. We got a Mustang. You got the Hell Kissy right here. More cars right here. I'll give you guys a whole walk around. A few Beamers. We're gonna go all the way around. That way you guys can see everything that we got. This right here. Truck Hawk. Oh no, that's a Hemi. We got this clean ass Mustang right here. This thing looks clean as fuck. More over there. A Tesla. Now this looks good. Got a few Mustangs here. Got a Corvette. Is that the boy Surge? Oh shit. Bye. It's a GSV, Corvette. They're pulling them in right now. It looks crazy, and we got an Audi over there too. The Audi pulling in. Lambo pull in as well. This is their STO. Got a Tesla right here. Got the Mustang on bags. Shit looks badass. We got mine, the homies, and we got a GT500 here. Now that shit looks clean. We got more cars over here. This is wrapped all around. All around. And the GT, man, how I want a GT500. I'll get it one day. We got the D-Wagon right here too. And with the GT500. Man, I'll get one day. This thing looks insane. Mark my words, guys. Next thing is gonna be GT500 Brian, not 5.0 Brian anymore. Although we'll keep the 5.0, but look at this. Mine's over there. You guys can't really see it, but same color as mine and everything. This is just a beauty. Got a little wide body scat right here. Thing looks clean. We got more cars all around. Shake everything. Cars are everywhere. They're finally letting him out. The Corvette's leaving with him as well. The CO6. Shit sounds nasty. What's going on? Is that a, sounds like a bike to me, I can't tell though. Just look at that though. Take a minute to appreciate this bad boy right here. Huh? Hellcat's leaving. Oh shit, it's just gonna hit us. Got the Beamer right here. Oh. Let's see this beamer right here. Ooh. He hit bad right there.
Somebody got traffic. Come on, help the homie out.
Yeah, this is the best part when everyone's leaving. I didn't even notice there's more cars over there too. So this is how big this is. They don't fit in one parking lot.